Hello, this is Nikki. This is a flip, well, this is an opening and a flip of the Crayola Art with Edge kit called Naturescapes. Oh, they call it a color studio, 40 pieces, 20 pages, and 20 markers. Crayola's Art with Edge series is aimed at adults and older teens. Let's see. That doesn't just slide off, it's attached somehow. Well, let's just pull it open like that. Nice. There we go. So, comes in a cardboard envelope as such. And we have our 20 markers and our 20 pages. So, let's get this shrink wrap off of here. Let's just grab it. Okay, now these look like they are going to be fun, but first let's take a look at the markers that we get. Okay, so these are basically, I think you can buy these and they're called fine liners. They have a much finer tip than Crayola's. Oh, sorry, it's nighttime in here and you're getting a horrible color there. But anyways, it is a 1mm nib on there. It comes to a point, but it's small, so it really can't form that triangular shape. And these all have names on them. So I suppose these are supposed to be the adult versions of Super Tips. And they come in a nice set of colors there. Alright, so that's pretty good. Let's take a look at the coloring pages now. These are just single-sided pages. They're white on the back. They are white with black ink, and they look like sketches. They've got bold lines. They're called Naturescapes. Wide variety of nature pictures, most of them from an unusual point of view. And it's using the term nature broadly, including a solar system picture, and this would be like a mollusk. Of course, must have the spider to terrify everyone. These could prove quite interesting to color. I like coloring insects. None of them seems quite serene though. I mean, here we have a lighthouse and birds, and yet there's that water splashing up from behind. Now that one's a pattern. The legs of a bee and a close-up of the flower it just left. Yeah, these are dramatic and unusual views of nature. Definitely more suited to mature coloring than children, which is the intent. Now, did we just have two of that picture? Yes, we did. No. Why am I thinking I've seen that picture before? Ah, no, it's not the same. Not at all, except that it's a tree. Okay. I was starting to think we were going to get duplicates there for a minute. Now, honestly, how do you color that? Well, the only way you can color that is if you want like a pink or something zebra. Like this. This is a satisfying set of pictures. It's quite interesting. And that was a look at the Crayola Art with Edge kit. Naturescapes includes what you see here.